What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're down here at Kinston Dragway today. My buddy Shannon Horton's got his car back out, so he's going to be working on it for a little bit, trying to make some passes, shake it down. They've also got the 252 list, race your way on, and so we're going to check that out. We'll get some footage of that today. A lot of people are going to be here with their cars, making some laps, trying to get to the number 10 spot on the list. So whoever wins today gets the race for the spot on the list next time. Don't forget to go to turbojohnracing.com to grab yourself some merchandise. Hit that join button if you want to join our channel so you can join in on our weekly live chats on Wednesday nights. All right, so it just got out here. I was running a little bit late. Shannon got his car. He broke the throttle cable pulling it off, and Eddie is in the floorboard. I don't know if he's going to be able to get out.
He'll never get out. He's a contortionist. He'll be fine.
It looked like a struggle getting in there, but we're going to see if he can get out. He said he might need some help. I 100% couldn't get in there.
Y'all might have to get a can open.
Did you bring the Sawzall?
We'll take the
I've been wanting to cut that door bar out anyway.
Hell yeah.
All right, we'll see. He's down there fixing it. All right, Shannon Horton, come help him get out. Oh, he might be able to. Look, he can make it. Look, he made it out.
Everything.
So Eddie's been getting his butt kicked by everything this week, so this is no exception. So Eddie's been racing for a long time. He's been out here killing it. So he's going to, what is it? What box you got? The 7530?
That's the one Eddie shoots the tune for me, yeah.
His wouldn't even, his laptop wouldn't hook to it. So Eddie's got the ability to hook to it and tune it. So Shannon's just going to make a few passes in his car. We tried to have it out, what was that, about a month ago? And the battery was bad, the generator was bad, something.
Yeah.
And
another computer, broke some throttle cables, you know.
And it was on methanol then, so he got tired of milking the oil and all that stuff, so he decided he was going to go to gasoline. So he changed it over to gas. So, yeah, I mean, this will be interesting. Okay, so new car bug issues. So he just got this carburetor, and that is not the proper adjustment there. See that gap? What happens is that creates a stumble. So at idle, wherever you're at, that can have no slack. As soon as you move it, it should be squirting fuel out of the squirter. As soon as you move it, it should be squirting fuel out of the squirter. You can see I'm moving it and there ain't nothing coming out until it reaches right there. So that causes a bad hesitation. So we gotta adjust that real fast. All right, so we're up here, race your way on. I think they said they had 15 cars today. So this is gonna be very cool. What's up, sir? Well, disaster strikes on Shannon's again. We think it's got a neat head gasket. And the motor, I mean, he's just getting the car. It was running before, but he just got it. And yeah, it's pressurizing and puking water all out the catch can. So that's not good. So that's failed number 2. Failed attempt number 2.
On fire. That's gonna be number 3.
We're gonna have to pull the heads off of it and see if we can. It's probably just got a head gasket. It's got MLS gaskets on it. Wow, what a race. Guys, well, we out of here. They're down to 4 cars, and we're going to cut out of here. It's getting kind of late. Got a big day tomorrow at work. Shannon, when you going to change head gaskets?
I've got 4 gallons of 112. I'm going to set that somebody's going to fire and dump it into that canal. It's about 10th Street.
Shannon, Randy, you better follow him home so he don't burn it up.
You don't have State Farm insurance. We're all right.
All right, well, it's got a head gasket or something. I mean, hopefully that's all it is. Snatch the heads off of it real fast, and I mean, it's all you can do. I mean, it's a used engine that's been together 3 years. I know he run it, but that's probably what it is. But it's just building pressure, so it is what it is. All right, guys, y'all stay tuned. We'll see y'all soon. Later.